The belly fat detox drink that works in 5 days, 0 exercise needed. What if I told you that the fat sitting stubbornly around your belly is not just frustrating? It could actually be one of the most dangerous types of fat in your entire body. Doctors call it visceral fat, and it's linked to heart disease, diabetes, and even shortened lifespan. Now here's the shocking part. Millions of people try diets, workouts, and expensive supplements, yet their belly fat refuses to go away. Why? Because most of these so-called solutions never target the real underlying problem. But imagine this, a simple drink, made from ingredients you probably already have at home, that helps your body flush out toxins, boost your metabolism, and melt belly fat in just 5 days. And here's the kicker, you don't need to exercise a single minute for it to work. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what this drink is, why it works, and how you can start today. Stay with me, because if you've struggled with belly fat for years and nothing has worked, what you're about to discover could change everything. Belly fat isn't just about fitting into your clothes or looking good in the mirror. It's actually one of the most dangerous forms of fat. Unlike the fat on your arms or thighs, belly fat sits deep inside your abdomen and surrounds your organs. This is what doctors call visceral fat. The danger? Visceral fat is biologically active. That means it doesn't just sit there. It releases hormones and inflammatory chemicals that disrupt your body's natural balance. Studies show it increases your risk for high LDL cholesterol, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even certain cancers. But here's the emotional side of the story. People with belly fat often feel stuck. They try jogging, crunches, or strict diets, and nothing works. They lose a few pounds, but the belly remains. This leads to frustration, loss of confidence, and sometimes even giving up completely. Why is belly fat so stubborn? Because it's often a symptom of deeper issues. A sluggish metabolism that isn't burning calories efficiently. High cortisol levels from stress, which tell your body to store fat around your waist. Poor detox pathways. Your liver and gut struggle to eliminate toxins, so your body hangs on to fat as a storage site. The good news? Once you target these root causes, metabolism, hormones, detox, you can finally make belly fat budge. And that's where our detox drink comes in. Before I reveal the recipe, let me explain why this approach works so much better than endless diets or brutal workouts. Most weight loss advice focuses on restriction. Eat less, move more. But if it were that simple, belly fat wouldn't be the #1 problem for millions of people. The real solution is to reset your body from the inside out, and one of the fastest ways to do this is through targeted hydration with detoxifying ingredients. Here's the science in simple terms. When your body is hydrated and supported with natural compounds, your liver and kidneys work more efficiently, flushing out waste and toxins. Certain ingredients like lemon, cucumber, and ginger are proven to stimulate digestion, reduce inflammation, and accelerate fat metabolism. Drinking this detox water regularly helps balance blood sugar and cholesterol, which directly affects belly fat storage. And the best part? You don't need fancy supplements. Everything you need is probably already in your kitchen. Why these ingredients? Lemon, rich in vitamin C, supports liver detox, boosts metabolism, and balances pH. Cucumber, hydrating, reduces bloating, supports kidney function. Fresh ginger, anti-inflammatory, improves digestion, stabilizes blood sugar. Mint leaves, cools the digestive tract, improves bile flow, freshens breath. Water, the essential carrier that transports nutrients and removes toxins. This drink is designed to work with your body's natural rhythms. It helps reduce water retention, improves digestion, and creates the perfect internal environment for fat burning. But let's make this practical. In the next section, I'll walk you through the exact recipe, step by step, so you can start using it today. Ingredients: 1 liter, about 34 ounces of water, 1 cucumber, thinly sliced, 1 lemon, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon fresh grated ginger, 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves. Preparation: 1. Fill a large glass jar or jug with water. 2. Add the sliced cucumber and lemon. 3. Stir in the fresh grated ginger. 4. Add mint leaves. 5. Let the mixture sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours, ideally overnight, to allow the flavors and nutrients to infuse. How to use it: drink 1 glass first thing in the morning before breakfast. Sip throughout the day whenever you feel thirsty. Make a fresh batch daily for best results. Why this timing matters: drinking it on an empty stomach jumpstarts your metabolism and helps your digestive system wake up. Throughout the day, it keeps you hydrated and reduces cravings. A story to inspire you. Let me share a quick example. Anna, a 42-year-old mom of 2, had been struggling with belly fat for years. She tried workout plans and calorie counting, but nothing worked. When she started drinking this detox water daily, within just 5 days, she noticed her stomach looked flatter, her bloating was gone, and she had more energy. This isn't magic. It's science plus consistency. When your body gets the right support, it responds quickly. Simple health facts to build trust. A 2017 study in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition showed that ginger can significantly reduce body weight and improve metabolic markers. Lemon water has been linked to improved digestion and reduced calorie intake because it replaces sugary drinks. Staying hydrated with cucumber and mint water helps reduce water retention, making you look leaner almost instantly. Key reminders for success: don't add sugar or artificial sweeteners. This will ruin the detox effect. Consistency is key. Drink it daily for at least 5 days to see visible changes. Combine with small lifestyle changes, like avoiding late-night snacks, for even better results. This drink alone won't turn you into a supermodel overnight, but it will kickstart the fat-burning process and help you finally see progress in your belly area. While the detox drink is powerful on its own, adding a few simple habits can multiply the effect. 1. Start your morning with warm lemon water before coffee. This wakes up your digestive system and prevents early sugar cravings. 2. Cut down on evening sugar. Your body processes sugar less efficiently at night, leading to fat storage around the waist. 3. Optional 10-minute walk. While the drink works even without exercise, a short evening walk can improve circulation and speed up fat loss. 4. Sleep at least 7 hours. Poor sleep raises cortisol, which makes belly fat even harder to lose. 5. Mindful eating. Simply chewing slower and eating without distraction helps your body process food better and avoid overeating. These aren't drastic changes. They're small, sustainable habits that complement the detox drink perfectly. So, let us recap. Belly fat is more than just a cosmetic problem. It is a serious health risk. But with the right approach, you can shrink it safely and effectively. The detox drink we've covered today combines lemon, cucumber, ginger, and mint in water to create a powerful fat-burning, bloat-reducing, and metabolism-boosting recipe. Drink it daily for 5 days, and you'll notice real changes, not just in how you look, but in how you feel. Now here's the important part. Don't stop here. If you truly want to finally get rid of belly fat and keep it off, you'll want to see our next video. How to finally get rid of belly fat. 99% have no idea. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with a friend who's been struggling with belly fat too. Your journey doesn't end here. This is just the beginning. With the right knowledge, small daily actions, and powerful natural solutions like this detox drink, you can finally take control of your health and your body. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.